Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture video. In this video, we're going to discuss the network structures of operating system. The unit 5 it comes under the IO systems. Here in this video, we're going to discuss the background, topology, and network types, communication protocol, and robustness and design strategies. So distributed system have a site A, B, C. Server followed with site A, site B connected with the communication, and server connected with the network and connected with the resources. So server one and other things we having the network sites will be followed with the distributed system. So distributed system is a network. We have the different system will be connected and files will be distributed from one server to one system to another system with the help of networks. So communication from the site B, site A, site C will be happen. In this picture you can able to see the distributed system. So motivation, talking about the resource sharing the resource and printing files as a remote sites. So processing information in a distributed database. So using remote specialized hardware devices. So computation speed up load sharing. Then reliability, detect and recover from site failure, function transfer, reintegrate failed site. So communication and message passing will be a major process here. Then message passing will be happening here, motivation things. So network operating system will be users are aware of multiplicity of machines, access to the resource of various machines done by the explicitly by remote logging into the appropriate remote machines, transferring data from remote machine to local machine via the file transfer protocol mechanism. Distributed operating system users not aware of multiplicity of machines access to the remote resources similar to the access to local resources. Here data migration and computation migration. We have the difference between data migration and computation migration. Transfer data by transferring entered files or those portions of files necessary for immediate task. Then computation migration, transfer the computation rather than the data across the system. Then process migration, execute an entire process or part of it at different sites. Load balancing, computation speed up, hardware preference, software preference, data access. Distributed process across a network to the even the workload. That is a load balancing. Computation speed up is a sub-process can run concurrently on different sites. Hardware preference process execution may require specialized processor. Software preferences are required. Software may be available to only a particular site. Data access is a run process remotely rather than the transfer all data locally. So topology, we have sites in the system can be physically connected in a variety of ways. They are compared with respect to the following criteria: basic cost, communication cost, and reliability. How expensive is it to link various sites in the system? And then how long it takes to send message from site A to site B. So reliability, if a link in a site in the system fails, can be remaining sites still communication with each other. The various topological typical graphs who needs to correspond to sites. An edge from node A to node B correspond to a direct connection between the two sites. The following 6 items depict the various network topologies: fully connected network, partially connected network, star network, tree structure network, and ring networks. So these are the networks we are seeing here: tree structured, fully connected, partially connected, and other things. Local area networks is the network types you are using here to cover all the small geographical area. Multi-access that calls bus, ring, or star network. Speed may be 10 megabits and second or higher. Broadcast is fast and cheap. Nodes usually workstation and are personal computers. A few usually one or two mainframes. That is the network types here. So description of typical LAN will be a micro, printer, and mini. So gateway will be a processor, file system, and mini and micro. So processor will have micro, printer, and mini. So processor will be file system will be these kinds. Then wide area network is separate sites, point to point connections over long haul lines. So often leased from a phone company. Speed will be 100 kilobits per seconds. Broadcast usually requires multiple messages and nodes usually a high percentage of mainframes here. So this we are discussed here is about the networking, topology and distributed operating systems in the distributed system in the network structures. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.